Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheater.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: a customer has looked at several match watches and seems to like one best. She tries it on, sets it to the correct time and asks if the band can be changed to another style. You show her the options and she likes one in particular. What is best to say to close this sale? Option A: do you want to look at a few more styles? Option B: will that be cash or credit card? Option C: shall I go ahead and replace the band for you, or do you want to keep both styles for different looks? Option D: we will be having a sale on what's sometime next month. The correct answer of the question: option C. Shall I go ahead and replace the band for you, or do you want to keep both style for different looks? So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.